Hello everyone, welcome back to a new unboxing video. I just did one like 30 seconds ago doing Persona 5 Scramble, but in the mail I also got this Persona Q2 Collector's Edition. Now this one's a little different because it actually doesn't have the game included. It was just all the extra goodies that you would get with the Collector's Edition. I found it on eBay for around $100, which is comparable for a Collector's Edition that is out of print, especially one that's Japan only. But there was a certain something here that I really wanted and is really cool, but we'll get to that last because we gotta save the best for last. So these first few things are really easy to fly through, and it's going to be a quick video because there's not much here. But the first thing that came with this was the Persona Q puzzle, which is great. I'm not really a puzzle person, but it's a 300-piece jigsaw puzzle. The only other collector's edition that I can think of was the Persona 4 Arena one that came out in Europe. It also included a puzzle. I did not do that one, and I probably won't do this one, but maybe my girlfriend will want to do this because she loves puzzles. So yeah, that's a puzzle right there, 300 piece. The next thing is this carrying bag. Just a simple bag that is 100% something that I can't read in Japan. But on the back we have the Persona 5 squad in their Q2 looking form on the back. And then on the front, it just says "Take Your Heart." I love this orange aesthetic that they went with Q2. The Q1's purple aesthetic was really nice, but I really dig the orange. All right, next thing that we got are these little pins, which are, I'm not the biggest fan of pins, but I do have a collection, and I will be doing an update video on my Persona collection. I have this shelf that's really nice, has all these things on there, and these pins will go great with it. But we have Joker from Persona 5, Persona 4 main character, Yu Narukami, whatever you want to call him. And then we have the Persona 3 protagonist. He's the man of many names, and I'm sure she has an official name somewhere, but I'm not sure what it would be. But yeah, got these 4 pins, pretty cool, something to add to the shelf. But this right here, these are the really cool things. So I'm not okay, so I got those crystals a while ago. Maybe you've seen the unboxing from a couple years ago, but those are light up crystals. These aren't crystals, but they are similar, as in they are glass. But look at this. They're these glass cups that on the bottom have the logo of their school. As you can see, Gekkoukan High School. And this one is the Persona 3 male protagonist, and it says Persona Q2 on it. But these things are so cool. So we have one for Persona 3 male, Gekkoukan on the bottom again, Persona 3 female. Then we have Persona 5. There's the logo on the bottom. Shujin Academy. I got a little mask on the O for Persona 5. These things are so cool. And then last, but certainly not least, we have Persona 4. And then we have the glasses for the O for this one that they would wear in the Shadow World. And I wonder, I don't really look that closely. Oh, okay, so it's the C's logo on the O for, I'm assuming, yeah, for both of these. But yeah, that's it. No game or anything. It's kind of an interesting, weird unboxing, but I just saw this and I hadn't heard of this collector's edition. Usually with most of these things, I only get the American one, but I'm starting to, with the PS4 one or the Nintendo Switch one, I do get the Japanese one as well because they play on those consoles. But for this, I saw this and it didn't include the game, which is actually totally fine by me because I already have it in English. But these glasses are so cool and definitely something to display on a shelf. Now, how I'm going to display it, I don't know, because I really like the logos on the bottom like that. And this pink one, oh my gosh, I love it. But I guess from the side, you can kind of see the yellow, the blue, the pink, and the red, so that'll work out. Yeah, so just a quick unboxing. Thought you guys might enjoy this Persona Q2 collector's edition unboxing. I thought it was really cool. Again, I'd never heard of it, but these pins, they're okay. The bag, it's fine. There's a puzzle, but these glasses are really what I wanted, and they are totally worth the price, I believe, because they're just so cool. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. As always, make sure you subscribe. I really appreciate it if you do. Leave a comment. I love talking to you guys so much. It's so awesome to have this little community that's starting to build. Yeah, so enjoy your day and make sure to go check out all the other videos. See you guys later.